Hello little scientist and welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We all see a lot of changes around us and some of them are very beautiful. For example, you all must have lit sparklers during Diwali. But do you know that you can get the same effect by burning a metal? Amazing, isn't it? Let us understand about this concept by performing this activity. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the physical and chemical changes activity kit. From the kit, take out the magnesium ribbon, sandpaper and the candle. You will also need tongs, a pair of scissors, a matchbox and a paper from your home. Before beginning this activity, let us understand the safety measures to be taken while performing this activity. Perform this activity under adult supervision only. Do not look directly at the bright light while burning magnesium ribbon. Make sure you hold the ribbon securely with tongs. Keep away from combustible materials like gas cylinders. Keep some sand handy to extinguish the magnesium flame in case of any fire hazard. Take the magnesium ribbon and cut it into two halves using the scissors, like this. If the magnesium ribbon is grey in color, that means the oxide layer has been formed on it. We will have to remove this layer as it will increase the burning time of the ribbon. We will remove this layer by rubbing the ribbon on the sandpaper like this. We will continue to rub this ribbon till a shiny surface is obtained. You can take your parents' help for doing this. You can now see that the oxide layer has been removed. Now lay a paper on the table or any flat surface and place the candle on it. Now light the candle with the matchstick. Be careful with the matchstick and perform this activity under adult supervision only. Now hold the magnesium ribbon firmly with the tongs and slightly touch its tip to the candle flame, like this. See, soon it catches fire and emits a very bright light. Remember, do not look at the bright light directly. You can also wear goggles to observe the flame. Let the ribbon burn completely and allow the ash to drop on the paper. You can collect the ash of the magnesium ribbon to test the nature of the ash. Burning is a chemical change and in this a new substance is formed. When magnesium ribbon burns in oxygen, it reacts and forms magnesium oxide. This process is called oxidation. Magnesium is a silvery bright metal that burns in air to form magnesium oxide, along with a very bright light. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.